So I'm gonna make another video on making my dirt bike better, the 2014 Crf250r. Last night I went to Pella and picked up a 2016 exhaust, and it's like pristine condition. It's real nice. Also has like the power bone thing on the top of the header, so because the 2014 header doesn't have that, so I think I'm about swapping that, see what kind of difference it makes, and then I'll tell you about it. It's pretty cool. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So there's the bashed in muffler. It's pretty bad. This side's missing a rivet, so when it's running you can feel the exhaust coming out here. So I'm gonna get that replaced and swap out this header with this one and see what kind of power difference it makes. It's pristine. Let's get to it.
Hopping out Ferrari, my house is 3 stories. I'm still independent cause jobs couldn't afford me.
So we got the new exhaust system on. So I'm gonna start it up, see what it sounds like and what this thingy does. So yeah, see what it sounds like. It seems to be more responsive. It does something, I don't know, but It seems to be more responsive than the other one. But yeah, that's sweet. So I'm gonna go. Oh, it's raining out. Darn. Well, we're gonna go riding, and I'm gonna go see what it does. See if I can tell a difference. But yeah, I'll be back.